Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Joanne and welcome if you are new here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you some of my new organisation products that I've recently purchased, so a bit of an organisation haul. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I've got an order that I've picked up from Kmart with a few random organising pieces. Here I've got a couple of really large organisation containers. These are great for storing really big excess items that you might want to store in your garage or something like that. So that's probably where I'm going to use these, is in the garage to store any random kind of backstock that we might have. A couple of other things I purchased. So these shelf dividers. So these are a 2-pack of shelf dividers and they're a great way of just organising and dividing up your shelf, and I plan on using these in my linen closet. And if you stay tuned, I will be doing a linen closet organisation video in the near future where I plan on using these, and depending on how they go, I'll see if they might also be suitable for my wardrobe. So I end up getting 2 packs of those and I plan on using them to help divide up my towels when I organise them. Another couple of things that I got from Kmart, this foldable shelf, which I've actually got one in my pantry as well to create an extra level or layer of storage on a particularly large, tall shelf that I've got. And what I plan to do is actually use these containers, which I also got from Kmart, to go under this, so it sits like this, and that's also going to be used in my linen closet to store things like hand towels and face towels. Next up are some items that I got from a company called Pretty Little Designs, and this isn't sponsored or anything, it's just a company that I found when I did a bit of Googling looking for particular products, and I love everything they've got. They've got some really amazing products, so I'll show you what I got. So first thing are these acrylic tags. So they're just white acrylic tags, and it's got a piece of brown paper covering on the back, which you need to peel off. But basically this is what they will look like front and back. And those are going to be used as label tags for some labels that I've bought. So I got quite a few of these because, again, I plan on using them in my linen closet for organisation. Along with that are a bunch of labels or decals that I bought. So, got tons here. So I just got them printed up in this nice basic, clear, easy to read font with various categories on it. So face washes, bath towels, bath sheets, general towels, etc. So again, really great, and they're just going to be a decal on this acrylic tag, so it'll look like that. I also got some larger labels, and these are going to be for my cleaning products. So these are going to go on some bottles which I bought, and I'll show you that in a sec. So I don't know if you can see that. That's an example. Now I do have some of these. If you've seen any of my cleaning videos and the all-purpose cleaner and glass cleaner that I use, you will see labels that look like this. So this is the same company, so I've got those as well. And I got some more for all the various cleaners that I've got. So all-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner, so all the different cleaners that I like to make up. And to go with that are cleaning bottles. So I've purchased 6 of each colour cleaning bottle. So the first one is this frosted glass cleaning bottle. So that's really nice there. And the other one is a black cleaning bottle. And I'm not too sure what I'm going to put in what yet, but some cleaners, depending on the ingredients that are used in them, need to be stored in darker containers to preserve them. Like, for example, If you ever use hydrogen peroxide, you'll know that it comes in a dark brown bottle, and that's because it starts to activate when it's exposed to light. So some cleaners will probably need to go in the darker bottle. So this is the black bottle. So another product that I've bought, but not from Pretty Little Designs. This was actually from, I think I just bought this off Amazon actually. This is basically a double stacked Lazy Susan. So it's got this wheel on the bottom so it can spin around when it's sitting on a shelf. I haven't quite figured out where I wanted to use it. I was originally going to use it in my pantry, but it just didn't quite work. So I've taken it out of there and I just need to work out where exactly I want to use it. But this is really great if you've got maybe some spice bottles that you want to store. You can pop them on the top and the bottom and have it as spice storage, or you could have it on your kitchen countertop to store some items that you might use every day, your salt and pepper or any other little containers that you might have on your kitchen counter. So lots of options, lots of storage solutions. You could even use this under your sink as well to store different cleaning items. So it just depends on what kind of space you've got and what will work best, but that's a really good one. I do just need to figure out where I'm going to use this one. So that's everything for my storage and organization haul. I really hope you enjoyed seeing a few of the items that I'm going to use to be organizing my home. And as I said, I'm going to be posting a linen closet storage organization video in the near future. I'm just waiting on a couple of other bits and pieces to arrive and still doing a little bit of planning for how I want that to look. So keep your eyes peeled. That will be coming in the near future though, and I'll be using a lot of the organization products that you saw today. If you want any of the details of the organization products, I will leave them linked down below. And if you want some ideas for organization tips and hacks for the kitchen, you might be interested in my kitchen hacks organization video, which I will leave linked down below. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.